Imagine this. You open your phone and the first thing you see is IShowSpeed. His face, his energy, his scream, every platform, every story, every feed. It's him, one of the most explosive streamers in the world. A guy who doesn't just go live, he takes over your attention. Every reaction, every moment goes viral within seconds. And millions of people are glued to it, watching every single move. Now imagine that same energy, that same presence, traveling across Africa. Not quietly, not politely, but full force. Live, raw, unfiltered, streets filling with people just to see him walk by, fans running after him, screaming his name, recording every moment, sharing every moment, and the world watching online as if it's a global event. This isn't a documentary. This isn't a quiet trip. This is chaos. This is excitement. This is IShowSpeed. And this is exactly what happened. For over a month, IShowSpeed has been traveling across Africa, one country after another. Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, Senegal, South Africa. Everywhere he goes, the energy explodes. His streams go viral. Clips flood TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Africa isn't just a stop on his tour, it's the centerpiece. And then comes Ethiopia. Ethiopia isn't just another country, it's a country that shares a border with Eritrea. That small detail would become the center of speculation, excitement, and eventually disappointment. Because here's the thing, IShowSpeed was almost in Eritrea. Almost. He was literally next door. A short drive, a few hours away. Fans were ecstatic. Comments exploded. "Speed! Come to Eritrea! You're so close! Don't miss this!" The Eritrean diaspora around the world was watching, waiting, dreaming of seeing him live. But it didn't happen. No stream, no post, no clip, no explanation, just silence. And that silence was louder than any scream, any reaction, any live stream he ever did. Now, think about what IShowSpeed is. He's not just a streamer, he's a force of nature online. He thrives on live reactions, on real-time chaos, on content that happens in the moment. Every scream, every laugh, every unexpected moment is amplified because millions of people are watching simultaneously. Internet isn't optional for him. It's the lifeline. It's the stage. It's the career. And Eritrea? It's known for having very limited public internet access. Not impossible, but extremely challenging for a streamer of his level. Live streams could lag or fail, clips might never upload, donations, chat interactions, all those things that make his content what it is, could disappear. For any other traveler, that's not a problem. For someone like IShowSpeed, that's a risk to the core of his career. Maybe that's why he didn't go. But let's pause here. Because while the technical explanation makes sense, there's more to the story. Fans weren't just disappointed, some were confused, some were angry, some felt overlooked. Eritrea isn't a random dot on a map. It's a country with a rich culture, proud people, and a strong diaspora. For many, having IShowSpeed visit would have meant recognition, inclusion, a moment of global attention. And here's the important thing. The absence didn't just leave a gap, it created a story, a question that everyone wants answered. Why not Eritrea? Why skip a country that is so close, so significant to so many? IShowSpeed has never officially answered this. There's no public statement, no explanation, just speculation. But speculation can be powerful if it's logical. If you understand what makes speed, well, speed, you realize something important. His world is live, real-time, interactive, immediate. Delays, poor connections, or lack of internet are not just inconveniences. They disrupt the entire experience. His career, his brand, his energy, it all depends on connectivity. So imagine this. He's right next to Eritrea. He knows the connection might fail. He knows live streams could lag or stop entirely. Clips might not upload. Donations might not appear. Chat interactions could die. For a creator like him, that's a major risk. And yet, fans still say he should have gone. Because sometimes presence matters more than content. Sometimes it's not about internet, not about streams, not about views. It's about recognition, respect, being seen, showing up. And in that sense, Eritrea is not invisible. It's not irrelevant. It's significant, strong, proud. Maybe he didn't fully understand the impact. Maybe logistics, visas, or security played a role. Maybe he prioritized the countries where he could deliver the full live experience. Or maybe he's saving Eritrea for a future visit. And there's something beautiful about that possibility. Because the story isn't over. The moment isn't gone. Fans still hope. Fans still dream. Comments are still there. Every like, every post, every call for him to visit keeps the idea alive. And maybe one day he'll see it. Maybe one day he'll step across that border. Not for content, not for views, not for viral clips, but for the experience. And when that happens, it won't be about Wi-Fi. It won't be about technology. It will be about the people, the culture, the history, the moment itself. And maybe that's the lesson here. Sometimes the story is bigger than the stream. Sometimes the absence makes the heart want something even more. Sometimes anticipation is part of the experience. So if you want to see that day happen, make your voice heard. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, share. Let the world know what it would mean. Because sometimes change begins with one voice, one comment, one like. And that's the story of IShowSpeed, Ethiopia, Eritrea, and millions of fans watching, waiting, and hoping for a moment that might one day finally happen. Thanks for staying until the very end.